just made $6,000. And I don't think y'all understand how crazy that is, because as a elementary school teacher for over 15 years, that's equivalent to 2 months pay for me. Okay, guys? And I'm going to break down the exact trade. I'm going to recap it with y'all, but I want to take a quick moment. As a elementary school teacher who taught in Title I schools, y'all, the skill of trading is life-changing. And this is one of my missions, and this is one of my purpose. This is why I make these videos. This is why I want to teach as many people as I can that the stock market is here for us to change our life. A lot of us say generational wealth, life-changing, abundance. I deserve this. And you're looking for that thing. You're searching for that thing. And I am screaming from the top of my lungs on a mountaintop. Hello. This is the thing, my friends. It's a skill that you can acquire. It's a skill that you can learn. It's a strategy that you can have. But the beauty of it, guys, is the earning potential is infinite. Like, you can do this as many years as you like. And the best part about it, especially from remembering those little faces and those sweet little kids, is that once you as the parent, the adult, is able to learn this skill, you can teach them so that they now can have a skill that they can have a way to tap an infinite earning potential. We all want these for our kids. We all want this for our family members. So guys, don't shy away from the market this time. I beg of you, do not shy away from it. This is our time to tap in. This is our time to change our lives. This is our time to get to that abundance that we know we deserve. I don't want to be long-winded. I want to get to the info, but I hope that spoke to someone on this video right now. I implore you to just tap in. And if you want to learn a simple strategy and you know exactly how I'm able to trade, make sure you go ahead and comment Discord or check the description box down below, guys. I trade with you live. You see my screen Monday through Friday. You're able to actually trade and see what I'm doing. All right. So let's go to the actual breakdown. All right, y'all. So we're going to review the QQQ trade I was talking to you about that I took that made me 2 months salary. All right. So make sure you're paying attention, all right? So we're on the 5-minute chart. That means each candlestick represents 5 minutes of price action. So with that, what I'm looking for is a trend, either a downtrend or an uptrend. So I'm going to play back the chart, and what I see here is a start of a downtrend. So I would like to see our entry point, which is a pullback, okay? So I'm not just jumping into a trade because I see a trend. I'm looking for a trend, then I'm looking for a pullback, all right? So let's go ahead and play back the chart. I'm paying attention to the pivot level here at 44975, all right? And this can be a strong level of support, which is currently showing. So I would want to see a clear break of that level for me to be interested. I'm not in the trade yet because it's playing around at this level, right? Boom, 1, 2, 3. So I need a clear break of that level, which I did not get. So that's perfectly fine. I am now still looking for a possible entry into this particular trade. But what I saw here, guys, is I saw the forming of a flag, in particular, a bear flag. What I'm seeing now is a different possible entry into this trade, which is great, guys. This is what we learn in the academy, is patience to wait for the trade to come to us, okay? So I see the bear flag forming here. What I'm looking for in a bear flag is a break of the bottom and a continuation of push down. I'm going to put a visual here of what a bear flag is for you to just add some more education behind what a bear flag is, okay? So like I said, I'm looking for a break of the bottom of this bear flag and a continuation down, which I got here, okay? Boom, nice. So your entry point for this trade that I took was this point here, guys, and the stop loss is simply on the other side of the entry point, okay? So currently in the trade, now, like I said, I was looking for that break of the bear flag and I got a break of the pivot. So 2 things that are checks on my side when it comes to a great setup, okay? It did give me a little heart attack, I ain't gonna lie. I retested the ORB here, but it really went in my favor and I am so like still in awe of this trade here, which turned out to be a 250% trade. And I was able to ride this trade all the way down to this dotted orange line, which is a 200 simple moving average, guys. And so for you to get a number in regards to what 250% return looks like, if you put $500 on this particular trade, you would have made $1,200. So this would have been a $1,700 day for you if you put only $500. So what I'm saying that for is not bragging. It's to show you that you do not need hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade to make $1,000 a day, right? You need to have a simple strategy you can follow. You need to have money that you can invest, obviously. But as you can see, guys, $500 turned into $1,200 in a day. And it's a real blessing to be able to do this with amazing people. All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. And if you want to actually learn how to trade, make sure you comment the word Discord down below or go ahead and check the description box. Guys, I teach you how to trade. My motto is I teach you how to fish so you can fish for forever. All right, guys? So if you have not subscribed to this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and help this video get to 1,000 likes. All right, guys? I appreciate you. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed rest of the year.